Hey, it's Andrew from Delivery Slip. Today we're going to be talking about sending secure large files. So with Delivery Slip you can send files of any file type and, more importantly, any file size. It's not an exaggeration, there's really no upper limit to the file size you can send using Delivery Slip. So some of our customers use this for things like sending video files, sending high-resolution images, giant Excel documents, really whatever you want. You don't need to worry about those pesky file size limit reach notifications. Now this works equally well whether you're using our Outlook add-in, our Chrome extension, our Edge extension, the mobile applications, or the web app. For now, let's take a look at the web app. So the easiest way to send a secure file with Delivery Slip is just to compose a new message. So we'll click New and Secure Message. Now from here I've got two options for attaching a file. I can use the Secure Files button here at the top, or I can use the Secure Files box over here in the Delivery Slip. Let's start with the Secure Files button. So clicking this opens my File Explorer on my local drive. I'll pick this file here. Great, you can see it's uploading. Alright. Next, maybe I'll add a couple other ones. You can notice this My Movie file is quite large, so that'll take a moment to upload. Let's give it a second. Okay, great. Now that my files are all uploaded, first thing we should notice is these triple dots on the right side of the tile. If I hover over those, I've got a few options. I can preview the file, delete it, or convert it to a document for approval. More on documents for approval in the next video. Alright, so let's send this file. I'll add some recipients. And some content. And I'll send it. So now that my message has been sent, let's navigate over to the Secure Files tab and take a look at those files. Okay, you can see here these are the four that I just sent. Let's open up one. Oh, before we do that, this progress bar in the bottom right of the Files tab, that tells me how many of my recipients have either previewed or downloaded the file. So basically, who's interacted with it so far. Okay, let's click one. Hey, cool shirt. So now that I've opened it up, over in the Delivery Slip I get a detailed breakdown of exactly what my recipients have done with this file, whether they previewed it, downloaded it, shared it with somebody else, etc. One last thing I want to mention before we go is if I ever want to revoke access to this file, what I have to do is go over to my Sent folder, find the message that I sent those files with, and recall that message. So if I recall this message here, none of my recipients will be able to preview, download, or interact with these files in any way. That's it. Now you know how to send secure files using Delivery Slip. As always, if you have any questions, you can contact us at www.deliveryslip.com/contact-us. See you in the next video.